Hello friends, you are watching Aapka Solution. Today I will share you what is Check It alarm applications and how can you use this application. So let's get started today's video. So guys, you can see here is a Check It alarm applications. So first of all, you have to download these applications. After that, you can open this application. So guys, you can see I have already downloaded these applications in my mobile phone. So I will open these applications. So you can you if you want to download this application, so you can go on Play Store and you can search. First of all, you have to type check it alarm. Here you can see guys, check it alarm applications. Here is applications. In this applications has 50 lakh plus downloads and 4.1 ratings and 87t reviews. So guys, you have to open these applications or you have to download this application. So you can see here is 87,000 reviews. So you have to click on install button and you have to install these applications. So you can see I have already installed this application, so I will click on open. So after that you can click on open. So guys, when I open this application, so you can see below is the three options. First is I think alarm and second is I don't know what is it, but okay, I click. First of all, I click on alarm. You can see it is alarm option. So if you click on this icon, so you can see this interface. It is the alarm. If you want to set a alarm, so you can set. First of all, you have to choose your time. Wake up alarm. It is a wake up alarm. You can see you have to select your time. This is your bed time and this is your wake up time. So you can see here is two icon. Here is a wake up icon and here is a bed icon. So you can see you can move your bed icon and alarm icon both. So guys, so I have set my wake up time and you can see you can see also and you can set. So after that I have to click on save option. So this is my alarm is set, you can see. And here is on top, here is the options of alarm. And second options is, you can see second options is heart. You can see if you click on this icon, so you can see these options sleep hours minutes. You can, if I click on hours minutes, you can see it is a options. So guys, total over, you can see here is the hours minute. That means how much time you are going to sleep. That means how much time you are giving for sleep. You can see here is hour minutes and there is no sleep record. You can see and you can note here. Okay, I think okay, I clicked on back. And third options is I think messaging. So I clicked on these options. You can see your nickname. First of all, you have to select your nickname. What is your nickname? What is your nickname? You have to select it, and after that you have to click on enter options. Okay, I clicked on enter option and second, and after that you have to click on agree. And I clicked on agree. You can see my ticket, one ticket is are needed for the alarm talk. You can see enter and one ticket is used. You can see it is the alarm options. You can see here is the alarm, here is the alarm talk. You can see alarm language, that means any language you can select, but you can see some languages are logged. But I clicked on back and entry free, here is the entry free. So guys, I have already told you this is a talk option. So if you click on this icon, so you can see it is options, and after that you can click on enter button. So I clicked on enter button. You can see here is some options like my ticket, free entry. If you clicked on free entry, so you can see add, and after that you have to click back. But you can see I don't have any ticket for entry. You can see I don't have any ticket for alarm talk. You can see, but ticket will be deducted for entrance. The purchased ticket are only used in this device that you proceed with the payment. You can see if you want to buy tickets, so you have to purchased from these applications. But first of all, you have to buy some tickets for alarm talk. You can see here, and after that you can see this statement. So guys, this is totally uh, uh, so guys, this was Shake It Alarm application. So I hope you are enjoying this video and you have enjoyed this video. We will meet in next video. Bye bye, take care, then meet you again.